How many tools do you carry every day? How many do you actually need? We're all trying to be productive and prepared, but too often, that just means more weight, more clutter, and more things to lose. Say goodbye to the messy toolbox and hello to the MarkMate Ti Pen. We set out to redefine your everyday carry by putting an entire workshop in the palm of your hand. It starts with the material. Crafted from pure titanium, the MarkMate isn't just elegant, it's practically indestructible. It's lightweight enough for all-day comfort, but rugged enough to handle any job you throw at it. This is where the magic happens. We call it one pen, infinite possibilities. Need to measure a line? Use the integrated ruler. Need precise dimensions? The MarkMate features built-in markings that let it function as a handy caliper, perfect for designers, engineers, or anyone who needs accuracy on the fly. But we didn't stop there. With etched markings, it easily transforms into a protractor for quick angle reference. And let's not forget the core function. It's a phenomenal writing instrument. When you're done, the durable clip doesn't just hold it in your pocket, it doubles as a secure, elegant bookmark. This is your pocket-size workshop. It's the ultimate tool for minimalism and preparedness. Instead of carrying a handful of specialized items, you carry one beautifully designed piece of titanium. Stop carrying more. Start doing more. The MarkMate Ti Pen delivers pen, ruler, caliper, protractor, bookmark, and more, all forged into one titanium body. Carry less, do more. Elevate your everyday carry. Click the link below to get your MarkMate Ti Pen today.